Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people. Power trigger trade, Sandro here. I like BA. I like the how it's looking again. So listen, people. BA set up to test the 359 to 360. I will explain the facts and the options side of the video. That's right, people. So basically, what I suggest you do is use the 340s or the 345 calls. You can see today there was 3.8K traded in the 340 calls. So the funny thing was you had the opposite side on the put side. Interesting thing. However, the charts suggest higher prices, and of course, people on confirmation. So people, BA needs to. I will explain inside the video the facts. Yeah, people. So like it is, I'm going to explain all those facts since I have power group trades. So, I mean, I'm giving the heads up here, but to find out what I'm doing, like there's other plans that I post in power group trades, and I do these videos as promotional to show people the benefits of following the big picture expert. You know, people, the stock clown has been wrong BA since 200. I'm making so many winning plans in BA, it's not funny. Let me show you something, people. Let me show you something. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. You know, one of the best places to go, you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, right? You can find that information by listening to my live streams. And one of the best places to go is you go to my YouTube channel right here. Let me show you. Come on, come with me, people. Come on, come on. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key. That's right, people. So I did this live in this live stream. It explains quickly how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Plus, it's a great live stream to listen to the big picture expert. You know, because like I said, a lot of stock clowns out there just don't know what they're talking about. They've been wrong since February 11, 2016, at the beginning of 2007. They're just wrong throughout the whole year, the big picture. And you don't want to listen to people who don't have any skill. You want to listen to the big picture expert. But one of the best ways, people, is really to study the videos in my created playlist. You know, you're gonna find inside that. You want to study, like you don't want to just become you want to become a group member because you like what I'm doing, okay, and you understand what I'm doing. The only way you're going to do that is to study the videos that I put out. This is a lot of work and time and effort I put into doing this. Nobody does it like this, Power Trigger Trade style. Nobody does it anything like this, but it's the most powerful thing. You know, I tell the story. You know, one of my group members sent me $1,000 gift because he made some great gains following my advice in a stock called Google L, people. So I'm going to post that Google L video. I'm going to post that in the video. I think this one here. Where the hell's the other one? I'll post it anyways for you guys. So inside this video, you're going to see a link. And also, you subscribe to this channel. If you don't have one, get a YouTube account and then subscribe. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. See this picture of me? You're going to see it in a circle format. You simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Listen, people, you want to study, you want to be a member on YouTube, you want to study my videos, and then when you're serious about success and you want to join my group, it's very simple. You know, it's very simple, and basically, if you'll know what to do if you use your mind. You follow what I'm getting at, people. If anybody with a will, you know, you gotta want to do something in life, and if you do, you get inside. You know what I'm saying, people? All right, now let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Sandro here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trade. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like